Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Infiniti QX56. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Infiniti has less than 83,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include technology package, automatic climate control, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and Bluetooth.